Late last year, Lilygo released this inexpensive solar kit. I bought one and played around with it because I wanted to see how well it performs, how well it holds up, how well it works in my own private mesh cluster. Over the winter, I put one together, put it outside, mounted it on the shed, and it's been running for almost 6 months non-stop since then. I don't restart it, I don't touch it, it just runs. I'm inside right now, but the solar kit I already put together 6 months ago is still out there on the shed, and it still should be running, so let's check if it is. I can look on my T-Deck. So as you can see, where is it? Oh, I saw it a minute ago. Solar T3S3. There it is right there. So you can see it's running, it's got a really good signal. It's about 100 and, oh my goodness, that's 112 degrees inside that unit, but it is working just fine. It's got a good GPS signal, full battery. It's been out there in sub-zero temperatures, and now, well, inside the case it's 112. Now that we know it's still running just fine like I expected, I'm gonna go out and do some distance testing, see how well it performs. I did pair it with a Rokland 10 dBi antenna. They've both been mounted to the shed for almost 6 months, so I'll just drive around a little bit and see where I get a signal and where I don't. Now we're heading out to do some real-world distance testing. This area is ultra-flat Midwest terrain, which gives a good baseline for how far the solar T3S3 node with the 10 dBi Rokland antenna can reach. I'm in the electric golf cart today and don't have much time, so I'm going to keep it down to about 6 miles or so and see where we land. First stop at 2.1 kilometers. As expected, the T-Deck is showing strong connectivity back to the solar node on the shed. Quick note on the RSSI numbers you see on screen. If it shows something like -99, it's not as bad as it looks. The signal is still decent and plenty usable for messaging in conditions like this. Out at 3.7 kilometers now, still solid connection. 4.5 kilometers, the link is still holding nicely. At 5.3 kilometers and still getting reliable pings from the solar unit. 6.4 kilometers out, connectivity continues without problems. Pushing further to 8.6 kilometers, still receiving from the node. Here at 9.4 kilometers, that's the farthest I'll go today. Not bad range for this setup in real conditions. If you want to learn how I built this, go to my website chatters.io.